For the last 3 months, I've been building an endurance sports community to solve the loneliness problem. Tons of runners, cyclists, triathletes feel lonely because not a lot of people do those sports and push themselves beyond their limits. I set out to solve that problem by creating a community on School that is 100% free. I started posting consistently and telling people about it, and we finally just hit over 100 people in the School group. It's now turning into this amazing place for triathletes, runners, and cyclists to connect, talk about their training, share wins, share hardships, and learn from each other. And now it's time for this to grow even more. I'm now dedicating myself to making more content, connecting with new people, and providing even more value in the group so that this turns into something really. Now, this is your special invitation to join this community while it's early, while it's still growing, and let's make this something awesome together. All you have to do is comment join, and I will send you the details. Peace.